Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Janelle and I make videos about our travels. It's also my first to talk directly to the camera actually, so please bear with me. Anyways, in this video, I'm gonna share with you our grocery shopping experience in Kyoto, Japan. Because when we were there, we don't usually go out to eat at restaurants because they were so expensive. And we had a small kitchen in our hotel and we wanted to eat something healthy, so we just cooked on our own. What I'm going to show you is still part of our 30-day Japan trip. If you want to watch the whole 30-day Japan travel series, you can check the playlist by clicking the card here. So without further ado, here you go! Yeah. How much? Where? I'm not capturing the boxers.
What are you capturing?
That you're peeling potatoes in Japan. Because you don't want me to mess your potatoes.
That's kind of...
So that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Here are a few clips which I'll show you on the next episode, where we went to Nishiki Market and Kiyomizu-dera. If you want to see more travel videos like this, please consider subscribing to my channel by clicking the button below. And also, click the bell icon to get notifications. Let me know if you like this video by leaving a thumbs up. If you have any questions or you want to share your travel experiences, let's chat about it in the comment section, like what we did here. Thank you guys for watching. See you on the next video.